To understand the series of real estate transactions more clearly, let's take a hypothetical case study of an NRI who wants to make an investment in the residential property. Suppose an NRI who lives in USA wants to make an investment in Indian real estate sector, and through his thorough research he came across a residential property in Mumbai. The very first step would be to provide with certain document which proves the NRI status, for example, an Indian valid passport. Second, he would require to open an NRI account in some Indian authorized bank, where the funds for the property purchase will be transferred. Make sure that the source of fund is traceable and it is legitimate. Then he is required to obtain a PAN card, which is a permanent account number. Then he will go through the documents of the selected property to see if there is any legal dispute or any pending dues on the property. This can also be done by conducting a due diligence, which will also help him to verify the title and the ownership of the property. After that, he will appoint a power of attorney who will represent him in India and also facilitate the property transactions. At last, the sale deed will be drafted and all the necessary parties will have to sign the necessary documents, including the buyer, seller, and a bank in case the buyer has taken any loan to purchase this property. After that, the property will be registered in the name of buyer. If you like this series on real estate transactions and want more such videos, do follow Legal Help NRI.